Welcome to the Oddities of Nature. In this episode, we will be examining a phenomenon called spring. Our guest today is Dr. Snow, whose expertise is in iceology. Let's watch as Dr. Snow searches for clues of the strange phenomenon known as spring.
Greetings, I am Dr. Snow, an iceologist who has spent the past 10 years studying the ice formations on freezer doors. I am out of the freezer today to investigate a phenomenon called spring. It has been so much talked about amongst my colleagues that I just had to get out to experience it for myself. The last time I was outside was 5 years ago in midwinter when I was comparing natural ice crystals with freezer ice crystals. Join me as I trek off into the wilderness to experience spring. My sense of sight seems to perceive water in its liquid state. I seem to be seeing moss. Can it be possible? Look, it's seed sprouts. It's grass! Actual green grass! I have got to get out of that freezer more often. New growth, growing under dead leaves. Is this what spring is? If it is, it's wonderful. There's still ice here, and it's supposed to be spring. And I heard that ice melts away in spring. This truly is a phenomenon. Spring was so interesting, I'm just gonna temporarily postpone my iceology and just go out and explore the wilderness.
Thank you for watching. Tune in next time as we explore more about the oddities of nature.
Hey look, you don't need a cave to go splunking.